Ranch home in Greenbrier Elementary/Middle School District. 2022, new carpet and paint. 2020, new HVAC, roof, and flooring. 2017, new 5/8 picket wood fence. Family room features cathedral ceilings from floor to ceiling, stone fireplace. Large fenced backyard features nice deck and double gate to store boat or trailer. Convenient to shopping, bases, hospital, and interstate. Jetted tub and hallway bath. Detached garage features shelving that is selling as is. Back gate opens to cul-de-sac for additional parking if needed. For more information, review the details below.